Hello guys, welcome to another educational tutorial about the markets. By the way, this is going to be the last video, and then I'm going to pause because this channel has barely any views. I even have deleted the last video because it has like something like 0 views or 1 view or something like that. So I'm going to pause this channel for a while. And just if you needed, type anything in the comments, and I'm going to speak to you. Okay. All right. So let's have a look here about the market situation. So this is the hourly chart in the Bitcoin. As you can see, the price has formed some kind of falling wedge. It's a falling wedge. Uh, as I as I have educated you earlier, if the 200 moving average is far away from the trend line. This means that the breakout is not going to be imminent. It's going to move sideways a little bit or choppy before it goes up. And if we looked at the bigger chart here and the daily chart, you will find that the price has formed also falling bigger falling wedge or a descending triangle. Depends how do you see it or interpret it. Okay. And I'm expecting the price to go that level before it decides either to break out or to have another leg to the downside. If we have seen here, if we checked on the Ethereum chart, I have shown you this before. That was the chart of the long term of the Ethereum. So it's at a very sensitive position here. It may either it's going to go parabolic or it's going to go bearish, parabolic bearish. So it's a very critical point. But it's highly correlated with the Bitcoin. If the Bitcoin went bullish, this is going to be bullish. Okay, let's check on the euro dollar. So um, there's a couple of reversal candles here. If the price has broken the upper band of the current week, it's going to be bullish. If the price has broken the lower band of the lowest point of the candle of the hanging man candle here is going to be bearish. Um, let's break it down to the 4-hour chart. So I believe the mostly it's going to be go upwards a little bit before it finally goes bearish. So especially that we have here a falling wedge shape. Let's go to the hourly chart. The daily, I'd like to check on the 200 move. Okay, the problem is that 200 moving average is not aligned with the trend line, which is not very encouraging. Um, so I would rather to wait and see. Okay, it could be a repetition for the same pattern here when the price was something like double bottom, then went up. Here also something like double bottom. It may go up also. So it's like 60% bullish, 40% bearish. If you are interested into the European indices as me, the price here has a very significant bearish signs. As you can see here, if we zoomed out a little bit, you will find also that the price has formed a very big rising wedge, which means that sooner or later the price is going to drop dramatically, and we are ahead of a crisis into the market because all of the markets are highly correlated. The French, that was the French CAC 40. This is the FTSE 100. It's forming an expanding diagonal here. Okay, and mostly it's going to be bearish also. S&P, well, it's, this S&P usually goes a little bit lower, and as soon as it goes low, it goes upward rapidly. The gold here, this is the daily chart. The weekly chart is somehow interesting. You see here a reversal candle. So for, as I told you before, many videos ago, that the price is moving between those two bands in this channel, but the price seems like it's going to have another leg to the lower side. I may go short for the gold, unless it breaks the higher point on the reversal candle here. In this case, the candle became null for me. So I may have think. I may think about it. Also, if we have checked here on the Aussie Kiwi, as I told you before, it's more likely bearish trend. It's a great chance to go lower. And if we checked on the daily, yeah, trend line and the 200 moving average is far away from the trend line. Monthly, it's more likely to end the month lower. So I may enter this week or the week after the short position for the Aussie Kiwi. That's it for this video. As I told you, I'm going to pause for a while because the channel is not very rewarding. Just in case if you need anything, I have typed my email prior to that, or you have the comment on any video, and I'm going to respond to you, just in case if you need any type of information or something like that from me. Thank you very much. See you soon.